Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add and remove people from Google Spaces on Google Chat. So here I have already opened my Gmail and here is my Google Chat, while here is my Spaces or Google Spaces. And to remove the people, I'm going to show you how you can first remove a people. So you can just click on the Spaces here and then click on the name of the Google Spaces, name of your spaces, and now you'll see there's a manage members option. So just click on that options, and to remove a member you can just click on the three dots icon beside the name of the member or the email address. Then here you'll see there's an option to remove from space. Just click on that and then click on remove, and just like that, that person will be removed or won't have access to this Google Spaces. While that is how you can remove to add people, you can there is an option to add people at the top here. You can just click on that options and then type in the name of the email address, for example this one. Then after that, just click on done, and the invitation will be sent to that person. After they accept, they can have access to these Google Spaces. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.